First loss for Liverpool in this season, and we got the taste of our own medicine. Welcome back to my channel, The Marching Reds. मैं हूं अमन चीमा. इस वीडियो में I am going to review the game between Liverpool and Crystal Palace played at Selhurst Park, in which we saw Crystal Palace defeat Liverpool 2-1 by Nketiah's last minute winner. तो काफी थॉट्स हैं और इतने भी पॉजिटिव थॉट्स नहीं है, बट वील हैव टू स्टार्ट समवेयर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्लेइंग 11. Allison back in goal, expected lines पे था, and same with the back four. It was Bradley, Konate, Van Dijk, Kirkes, and then in the midfield we had Gravenberch, McAllister. यहाँ तक तो सही था. उसके बाद जब Szoboszlai आया, like मतलब when he was announced in the playing 11, it was pretty clear that either Wirtz would be starting on the bench or जो कि eventually हुआ on the left wing position. So Wirtz on the left side, Salah on the right side, and then just because Ekitike was suspended for this game, Alexander Isak did end up starting for Liverpool in that number 9 position. And Crystal Palace की बात करूं, Gehi again, he captained the side, like he's the club captain, and सिर्फ मैंने इसका नाम क्यों लिया because he was linked to Liverpool, and that last minute transfer collapse जो हुआ, ठीक है, it was a story जो कि इस मैच को not dominate कर रही थी, but like something to look forward to था. And then we saw Ismail Assar, after being injured for a few weeks, came back into the 11 for them, and he had a like straight away impact for them, negatively for us. तो उस पे भी आएंगे. तो गेम की शुरुआत होती है, काफी ऑप्टिमिज्म था मेरे में, like yeah, I was like, कि maybe शुरू के 15-20 मिनट ट्रिकी होंगे, but then if we can get our rhythm and like, if we can find a few passes here or there, we should see more of Liverpool dominating possession. लिवरपूल का डोमिनेट पोजेशन करना तो था, बट सारे चांसेस, सारे अटैकिंग थ्रेट तो क्रिस्टल पैलेस की तरफ से ही आए. लाइक पहले गोल की बात करता हूँ, दे स्कोर्ड इन द 9th मिनट और सो, एंड टू द बिल्ट अप टू दैट गोल, इट हैपेंड फ्रॉम अ सेट पीस, इट वाज अ कॉर्नर. ठीक है, लाइक it wasn't supposed to be a corner because the ball reflected back from Conor Bradley to a Crystal Palace player and then went out. But जब आपको corner defend करना है, I don't know ये क्या होता है हमारे साथ. लाइक हम लोग set pieces इस बार defend ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, and this goal जो हमने concede किया, it is so similar to the one that we conceded against Southampton. Corner आता है, our number 6 in that case was Endo, in this case was Gravenberch. We try to head it out and we get it all wrong. Like touch हमारा ही होता है, but वो instead of going outside the box lands up inside the box and to the opposition player, उस केस में Southampton, इस केस में Crystal Palace, and then the player just knocks it to goal. जहाँ पे बाकी डिफेंस भी कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, गोलकीपर तो क्या ही करे, because everybody is expecting कि अच्छा बॉल आ रही है, अपने प्लेयर के पास आ रही है, क्लियर करेगा तो हम लोग सारे पुश अप करेंगे. Like from that possible scenario, if you are the defending line, या फिर अगर मैं भी कीपर हूँ, तो आई एम लाइक, ओ अच्छा, एकदम से ऐसे हो जाता है कि लाइक क्या करूं मैं अब इसमें. सो दैट वाज 1-0, एंड ठीक है, नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. फर्स्ट टाइम दैट वी वर ट्रेलिंग इन अ प्रीमियर लीग गेम, एंड ठीक है, डिफरेंट वाइब्स थी, बट अंदर से आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ऑल द लिवरपूल फैंस वर कॉन्फिडेंट कि नहीं नहीं ठीक है, अभी तो शुरू हुई है गेम, लाइक give it some time, give it some time, let's get back to our basics, let's get back to the things that we want to do in this first half, and we should be good. So और जो हुआ उसके बाद, that was completely opposite. It was like अगर Alisson ना होता ना, like Alisson, I mean, if there is any doubt that who is the best goalkeeper in the world, of course you can have like notable names in Donnarumma and like I don't know who else, but मैं अभी बस लिवरपूल की बात कर रहा हूँ. Alisson is right there. Had it not been for Alisson, Liverpool would have been going back to the dressing room at halftime with a scoreline of 3 to 4-0. Like, and I'm being conservative here. Like, what golden opportunities Crystal Palace created, and सारे one-on-one shots Alisson ने save करे, and I mean बहुत सारी individual performances were a mess. मतलब I'm not here to blame game, I'm not here to criticize unnecessarily, but I'm just here to let you know what I felt, and I was bamboozled by a lot of things. Like, why are we doing certain things, उस पे भी मैं आऊंगा. Like, why is, for example, again, not picking names, but just picking situations in which the players are involved. Konate seemed off Wirtz seemed off. I mean, how can you let just a random opposition player come at you, press you, and knock the ball off you? Like, मतलब, yeah, like बहुत सारे moments थे where I was not impressed with the final decision making of our Liverpool team, and yeah, ठीक है, somehow we get to half time 1-0, and yeah, like आर्ने स्लॉट ने डिसाइड किया कि तभी के तभी like कॉनर ब्रैडली बाहर आएगा, सोबोसलाय राइट बैक पे जाएगा, जो सोबोसलाय की जगह वेकेंट है उसको फ्लोरिन वियर्ट्स भरेगा, और कोडी गैक्पो को हम लोग बेंच पे लेकर आएंगे. सो वन प्लेयर आउट फ्रॉम हियर, एवरीबॉडी सॉर्ट ऑफ शिफ्ट्स वन लाइन पीछे, सोबोसलाय फ्रॉम मिडफील्ड टू डिफेंस, वियर्ट्स फ्रॉम द अटैकिंग थ्री टू the mid three, and Gakpo straight from the bench to that front line. So ठीक है, the first 15-20 minutes were like much better in terms of the 45 minutes that we somehow survived, and like the first 45 minutes, and it was looking like as if like we are right there. Cody Gakpo had a shot which couldn't curl enough, and then Isaac also had like nice moment where like he passed the ball to McAllister, almost caught it back, and then he almost finished. अब वहाँ पे भी वो एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट था जहाँ पे he caught, like he was in the penalty box, he caught the ball, the Crystal Palace player sort of fouled him. I mean, had he gone down, penalty तो पक्का होती, but somehow he maintained his balance, took a shot, and that was just enough for him to misplace his shot. मतलब I'm not saying कि it is a penalty, but I'm just saying कि भी अगर वो गिर जाता तो पक्का penalty होती, और the fact that he stayed up and still tried to score just meant कि भाई that was a wave that we were trying to create against this defense, this Crystal Palace wall जो कि टूटने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही थी. अंबुजा सीमेंट, no sponsorships by the way. So yeah, I mean, then we get Chiesa on, then we get Curtis Jones on, then we get Frimpong on. Or yeah, I don't know whether it's me or like if you guys seen the last few games, the Southampton one and the and this one, the one against Crystal Palace. Curtis Jones के पास जो special skill है ना, that he can carry the ball forward. He's a great player. I mean, not like great player. He's a very good player. But I just feel he takes that extra touch every time unnecessarily. Like maybe I'm getting too critical here, but I have to tell you what I'm feeling. So I'm like, यार ये जल्दी पास क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? मतलब ठीक है, तू बॉल आगे लेके जा, but कर देना पास. Like तू like मतलब एक एक्स्ट्रा टच देने के बाद either he misplaces that pass, or like either the player who has to press on him gets the ball, and then I'm like, bhai, you had so much of time to pass the ball either here or there or either through, just do the simple things. And काफी like 3-4 बार हमने पता नहीं किसको पास कर रहे थे, like there was a player here like or here, and then we just placed the ball or like pass the ball to a random space जहाँ पे we were like एक second were you supposed to pass it to me or like what? So that just meant कि we were definitely not in our flow, and that is the most upsetting part, because मतलब नॉट, देखो हार जीत तो इट इज इनएविटेबल, लाइक इट वाज नॉट कि भाई हम लोग कभी एक भी मैच नहीं हारने वाले इस सीजन, बट इट इज जस्ट अबाउट दैट द वे वी परफॉर्म्ड, everybody barring a few people, just a few people, like I'll tell you those people कि भाई मेरे हिसाब से who left Crystal Palace's away stadium or like Crystal Palace's stadium with their chin up, one would be Alisson, Chiesa of course, and then Isaac, because like he was looking much better. I mean, I can't think of any other player who like sort of raised up his hand and said like मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. So yeah, I mean Salah looked off, like not saying that he's totally off, but like yeah, he was off. And then yeah, so it was 1-0, 80 minutes, 85 minutes. ठीक है, लिवरपूल फैंस का तो होगा कि like अब आएगा इक्वलाइजर, अब आएगा विनर, अब आएगा इक्वलाइजर, अब आएगा विनर. Then Chiesa gets in a shot. He was very close, like a minute or so before he equalized eventually to get on the score sheet. And then when he gets the chance, he finishes it off, and 1-1. And I was like, भाई अगर ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस पे हम लोग एक पॉइंट भी ले जाएंगे ना यहाँ से, it would be a great one. हाँ ठीक है, the winning streak would end, but at least our unbeaten streak would go on, especially in this tough, tricky game. So ठीक है, 6 मिनट एड आउट होते हैं 90 मिनट्स के बाद, एंड देन अगेन अ सेट पीस लास्ट मिनट पे, लाइक 96 मिनट्स हो गए हैं एंड द गेम वाज एक्सटेंडेड बिकॉज एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन हुई थी, एंड देन क्रिस्टल पैलेस गेट अ थ्रो इन, लॉन्ग थ्रो इन द बॉक्स, इट द बॉल इज स्पिन बॉलिंग अराउंड, पहले हमारा हेडर लगता है, फिर उनका लगता है, फिर एक और क्रिस्टल पैलेस का हेडर लगता है. सो आउट ऑफ द थ्री हेडर्स पॉसिबल, वी वन द फर्स्ट, वी लॉस्ट द सेकंड बॉल, वी लॉस्ट द थर्ड बॉल, एंड देन वी सी एनकेटिया के पास बॉल आ जाती है, एंड देन ही कंट्रोल्स इट एंड स्मैशेस इट, एंड जहां पे एलिसन भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता, एंड देन इट वाज लाइक या, and like I mean, and then we lost. So that was 2-1 and Ketia. And yeah, matlab, if you ask me, did Liverpool deserve to lose? My answer would be 40%. Yeah, maybe because of the performance, but 60% no. Because Joe Marji karke, we stayed in the game till the last moment. Like we equalized in the 88th minute or so, 87th minute or so, and then we were almost leaving Crystal Palace with 1 point. So yeah, I mean, I'm not taking it as seriously as like other people are, because everybody was waiting for this moment कि एक मैच हारो तुम लोग, फिर हम देखते हैं कि भाई वर्ड्स क्या कर रहा है, इजैक क्या कर रहा है, लाइक यू नो अभी करो करो, लाइक आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज योर टाइम टू enjoy, go ahead and लिखो comment section में like whatever you felt about the game, but I am not panicking, I am not pressing that panic button, and neither will Slot, neither will all the players. They have been here last season also, where out of nowhere Nottingham Forest beat us at Anfield, and everybody then also felt कि हाँ अच्छा पहले 3 मैच तो जीत गए थे, अब ये Nottingham Forest होम पे हरा के चली गई, now what? And मतलब of course losing a game is not the best feeling for a fan, and that is what I'm trying to express here, कि just because we've lost does not mean कि भाई I have given up or like whatever, and like you know ये बदल दो वो बदल दो ये बदल दो वो बदल, ठीक है हार गए, we'll take it up and we'll move forward, and I just hope that everybody just sort of reflects back, because ऐसे losses का earlier in the season आना ना is just a blessing in disguise, and I hope this is the case, because from here you can use this game as a क्या jumping board कहते हैं, to improve, to go back to the drawing board, to look at what other things we could have explored, बिकॉज अभी भी मैं बात करूँ ना गाइस, जैसे मैंने पूरे 1-2 महीने से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इट इज स्टिल अ यंग टीम, इट इज स्टिल adapting, it is still shifting to the new tactics that Arne Slot wants to try, so we have to give it time. Like आपने भी अगर मैच में देखा होगा, like there were moments where Isaac was dying to have the ball at his feet. There were moments जहाँ पे first half में specifically McAllister, जो कि more towards the left side of the pitch पे खेल रहा था, one attacking, काफी हम लोग राइट साइड पे खेल रहे थे, एंड मैकैलिस्टर ने एक दो बार ऐसे ही किया कि भाई आई एम सो फ्री, लाइक जस्ट लुक अप व्हेन यू हैव द बॉल एंड देन यू कैन एक्चुअली फाइंड मी, एंड देन लाइक यू नो आई कैन मूव ahead, or maybe like pass it to Beers या Kirk. Point is we could have done a lot more things, and I just hope कि we see a dramatic performance in a positive way against Galatasaray, and if we can beat Chelsea next weekend, that would just mean that it was a blip, which was very human of a team, which was very normal of a team to expect, and yeah, that is what I'm hoping. And और कोई बात अगर मैंने, हाँ कि भाई लिवरपूल इतना लास्ट लास्ट मिनट में जाके गोल कर रहा है, अब उनको ही लास्ट मिनट में जाके हराया तो कितना मजा आया, ठीक है, आई मीन we are still sitting at top of the table, and if you would have told me that out of the 6 games, out of the first 6 games, we would be sitting at 15 points with 1 loss, and especially defeating our title contenders in Arsenal, जैसे कि अभी लग रहा है, वैसे उसकी बात करूँ तो क्रिस्टल पैलेस अभी सेकंड पे आ गई है with 12 points, तो they are the only unbeaten team in the Premier League till now, so it is मतलब good, funny, irony, like whatever, so I would have taken it all day, and yeah, the Reds will move on. As I said, it's the marching Reds. We go and march on. You let me know in the comment section on how you felt about the game. If you're a Liverpool fan, what trick did we miss? Like, did you think that you were happy with the playing 11? Did you think that Arne Slot could have chosen a better स्टार्टिंग 11? बिकॉज ठीक है, वहां पे भी काफी डिबेट्स चल रही थी, बिकॉज उसकी सब्स्टिट्यूशन ने तो काम कर दिया आगे, लाइक Chiesa from the bench scored, so no complaints there. Do you think that we are over relying on the Mohamed Salah brilliance? Because अगर वो नहीं करेगा तो कोई नहीं करेगा. Like, just let me know what you think, and if you're not a Liverpool fan, let me know how you enjoyed this game, especially that last minute. And yeah, it is what it is. We shall move on. And next up is Galatasaray away. Ekitike का भी जो suspension थी, it definitely played an indirect part to us not being able to control the game. So that was also a major miss. But he would be back against Galatasaray, and I hope we get a much better performance in the Champions League. If you've liked this video, let me know by liking this video, chiming in with your comments, because that is where we can discuss, debate, hopefully not argue, and look at different various perspectives. And also let me know by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.